today we are going to see a small case study discussion on why the mobile chargers are explode topics. Okay, we can see why it is explode and how the construction of the charger is and what are the causes it affects. Okay, we can see the discussion of the case study in detail. Okay, can anybody explain this?
I will say about the introduction. So hello everyone, I am Shana here. So to give an introduction on what we are going to speak in this case study video is why charges do explode. Charges are maybe in small in size but it works larger, and there are all devices that revolve around it, and if any devices need to be recharged, the charger is the main device there. So the reason it explodes is due to its overusage or its hotness inside the charger. Its elements get exploded automatically. It make an accident even when a mobile is in charging in any of the situations. So these are the reasons it explodes. And here what we are going to discuss is why it explodes and what happens when it is exploding. That is maybe the causes of the explode. And our aim here is to prevent the exploding and to give the solution on this.
So hello everyone, I am Gashni. I am going to explain the working of chargers. The mobile chargers which are used to convert the high AC voltage into a DC, to charge a phone which are used to convert it into reduce the voltage and it converts the AC to a DC. The capacitor makes the smooth voltage sources and the regulator which are used to give a steady output. So all the parts which are used to convert it into a steady connections to give a steady of charge.
So hello everyone, this is Vishnu Priya from second year B. So I am going to tell about the causes of explosion. So we all know that chargers are made up of small capacitors and diodes. So the first cause I am going to explain is diode failure. So diode is used to send the power in one direction, current in one direction. If there is any failure in it, the charges may be explode. The second thing is capacitor burst. So capacitor used to store energy as well. So the second causes for the failure, the explosion is the capacitor burst. So capacitor is used to store energy. If the energy stored in gets overloaded, the capacitor bursts. The third reason is buying duplicate or duplicate chargers. If the charger is duplicate, if it is heated overly, if the charger is used overnight or the overusage of chargers may be cause of the explosion. The next is voltage fluctuation. If the power supply moving towards the charger is not equal or not the correct power supply, it may explode. Not only this, there are many causes for explosion as the charger is made up of many small things, components inside. So this is the cause of explosion.
Hello everyone, I am Vijay and I am going to explain about demonstration. Internal working. Diode converts AC to DC. Capacitor smooths voltage. Fault condition. Faulty diode, unstable current. Faulty voltage fluctuation. It leads to heat and damage. Demo 8 shows simple circuit or diagram. Explain normal versus faulty condition.
Hello everyone, I am Divishri. I am going to give few solutions to this problem. To prevent mobile charger explosion, we have designed with simple and effective protection circuits using basic electronic components. In this circuit, first we use the Zener diode. It is used to monitor the voltage level in the components. When the voltage is in the normal safe limit, the Zener diode is off and it allows the transistor to stay off. When the voltage increases the safe limit, the Zener diode automatically turns on and it allows the transistor also to turn on. And in addition to this, we can also use transistor-based protection circuit, thermistor-based protection circuit. This monitors the temperature of the charger. When the temperature is in the safe limit, the thermistor is also off. When the temperature increases beyond the safe limit, the thermistor automatically turns on and it cuts off the voltage supply to the charger.
On concluding our case study discussion, so here we saw what are the causes and what components inside the mobile chargers are responsible for the explosion. So each components are related to one causes of overheating or any of the damages or any fluctuation of voltages and all these things. So these components are interrelated to the cause of this explode. The solution is to have a small protection circuit in it. So the small protection circuit obviously it prevents from overheating and also reduces the internal damages too, and it further prevents the larger damages or larger accidents. So these small protection circuit on these small devices, on these small problems, it gives a small protection to the charges.
Okay, hope we all came to know why the charges get explode and by in what cases it gets explode. Okay, and what are the components we are using in it. Thank you.